Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. I am sorry to say that things have slowed down for the channel right now as far as getting videos out and whatnot. Work is absolutely crazy. My wife just got diagnosed with COVID. Don't worry, she's fine. She's basically over it. But because work is so crazy and my wife has COVID, I am now out of work, basically working from home, trying to steer a ship from home, and it's not very easy. So what I'm basically getting at, between the holidays and everything going on with work and everything, this may be my last video for the year. That does not mean I'm not recording. Sammy, don't worry. As far as your knives and those knives that I have on hand, doesn't mean that I'm not recording it. But I'm going to hit 2021 hopefully with a bang. And I want to thank each and every one of you that have been a part of this channel since the beginning, back in like May or June, and been a part of it. You guys are awesome, and I can't thank you guys enough. This is just a short little unboxing for reviews and whatnot that we're going to be doing come 2021. So once again, thank you. Ronnie thanks you. Say something. Yeah, there he is. He thanks you. We'll do this quick unboxing, and then we'll say goodbye. I might put out something, I might not, but there's a good chance that I won't. I just don't have much time right now. Unboxing knife, Spyderco stock. Alright. How fitting. We're unboxing a Spyderco smock, and we got another Spyderco win. I've told you guys before that I'm basically becoming a Spyderco guy. Some of you may know what this is already. I think a couple of you do. But this is the last one on my list of things that I really want to experience from Spyderco this year. Obviously there's more, but this one is almost a must. I've had my eye on this even before I got my hand. The smock was a unique... I didn't mean to get the smock and love it. The smock was supposed to be a flipping knife, like I was just going to get it, flip it, but I fell in love with it. And this one I've had my eyes on before I got the smock. This is the Spyderco Canis. Or Canis. Alright. So here we go. Spyderco Canis. I'm just trying to get it on video for you guys to see. So you can definitely tell this is a carbon fiber, maybe a G10 carbon fiber mix for the scales. It feels much lighter than I anticipated. The blade is actually, it's really cool blade, but in hand, you guys, I expected the Canis to have a big blade. You always see it and it's like this, and it's like, oh, the Canis has a huge blade. Check this out. Let's see. It's not much bigger than the smock, and those of us that know, the smock's not a big blade. So this is much smaller than I anticipated. It's a little sticky as far as the action, but the grip feels good. It's a very good feeling knife. The compression lock, fantastic. You know, the action's good. It's almost perfectly centered, and Ronnie's trying to jump out the window. Don't go out the window, it's okay. We still love you. Yeah, so this may be a flipping knife. I may flip this. I am not as impressed with it as I wanted to be. What's wrong, bud? Hey, you're okay? Here. There you go. See, my kid doesn't like it either. He's like starting to cry. I'm not as impressed with this as I wanted to be. I wanted to think that the ergonomics and everything of this, I just really expected to love this knife, and so far, at first impression, it's not impressing me. That doesn't mean it's a bad knife, doesn't mean anything about it. It's, you know, it's obviously a self-defense knife, but we'll see. I don't know. I like it, I do, but it's just not. I mean, if I had to choose between the smock and this to carry right now, I'm probably going to carry the smock. That's just the way it goes. I'm rambling. But overall, the profile's pretty nice. It's a very, very slim knife. I kind of like this egg shape when it's folded. I know it's going to take up a lot in your pocket, but... So, yeah, this is a Spyderco Canis. Potentially my last video of the year. It's a pretty gorgeous looking blade on camera. I think it looks better in camera than it does in person. It's weird. Probably my last blade of the year, or my last video of the year. I'll let you guys know, but there's a good chance that I just won't have time to really get much out towards the end. So once again, thank you guys who watch the channel. Thank you everybody. This is the Spyderco Canis, potentially last video of 2021 or 2020, 2021 too. And yeah, Merry Christmas, guys. Happy New Year. Stay safe. Wear your freaking masks if you got them. If you have COVID, just stay home. Don't be stupid. And once again, let's get through this together. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. That's Ronnie, who's okay. It's gonna be okay. That's Ronnie. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't, I guess. Plenty more to come in 2021, boys. We're just getting started. Have a good one. I'm just kidding, you jagoffs. Those of you that are still watching this, Jake donated a CRKT LCK. It's not much. It's a smaller knife. It's a pretty cool knife. I haven't reviewed it yet, but I have one on hand. I will be giving away that knife. This is the giveaway part of the video. It's not much, but it's what I can do right now. So, the giveaway is going to be completely at random. I like MC style where you just comment in the comments below. Come, let's say, December 26th, which is the day after Christmas, I think. So the day after Christmas at like, fuck, I'm making this up as I go, 1 p.m. Put a comment below. Everybody who commented will get a chance to win. In the comments, I want you guys to, I'm not gonna pick, but if you guys do something stupid, I'm gonna exclude you. So make this like part of it. I'm not gonna pick based on your comment, but don't be, putting anything dumb. So what I want you to do is put, if you could pick any knife for Christmas, what knife would it be? That's one. And then the second question you gotta answer is, if you can give me any knife, finances aside, if you could give me any knife, what knife would it be? I'm not basing who wins on that, but I will exclude people who just don't follow that format or are obnoxious in the comments, like using a ton of profanity or, stupid stuff. So it's not just a comment, but you got to answer those two questions. What knife would you want for Christmas? Finances aside. What knife would you get me for Christmas? Finances aside. Happy holidays, guys.